Okay, y'all, so I cleaned one of the rims that's off. Well, I cleaned the rim that is off. And it just needs a good polish. Get some polish on there. Maybe like polish them up. But by the looks of it, they don't look that bad. Cleaned it up. It doesn't look too bad. I think I'm gonna reuse these rims. Just get new tires, because obviously it needs new tires. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna continue today with this project truck that's really not a project and it's not abandoned, but it is, however, not in its best shape. So this is what I got going on right now. This is where we're at, okay? I haven't been recording, so I haven't really been recording, but I have been working on the truck. I'm really sore. I can't even walk. My dad helped me out for the most of this part, but he's not in the state no more, so it's up to me. So this is what I got going on. So as you can see, I've only worked on one side. I have installed the shock, the new shock, and the new control arm. But when we were finishing up and torquing everything down, my dad accidentally over torqued this one, the bolt, and it broke. So now I have to completely take everything and do it all over again. So okay, yeah, as you can tell, I finally got the shock out and the control arm. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner all over this, and then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of paint just so it won't rust. Continue to rust. Alright, so that's what it looks like after a little bit of paint. Nothing too crazy. I wasn't trying to be perfect, obviously. I just kind of did the whole auto used car lot special, but the landlord special. But it looks way better than how it was. I plan to also paint all that, but at a later date. And also all of these are all gonna get painted a little bit at least. So yeah, I think that is all for today, because tomorrow I get the new bolt. Because as you can tell, this is the one my dad accidentally broke. Over torqued it. So tomorrow I get the new ones. Today I kind of just wanted to prep it, get it ready, so tomorrow when I get the part, I just slip it in and get started on the other side. So yeah, I am not a mechanic. I am not a professional. I don't advise you to follow any of these procedures at all, because this is probably not safe. Maybe it is, maybe not. I don't know. It's safe to me, but I do not advise you guys to do anything I'm doing, right? For legal reasons. Let's get it. All right, y'all. After like 4 days, spring compressor parts, a lot of sweat and tears, I'm finally done with the driver's side, I think. It's been a hell of a journey. Maybe we're not done. Maybe we're not done yet. This is the fucking summary of every day. Something's always going wrong. This ain't even it. This ain't even it. Moment of truth. Obviously it's gonna need an alignment, but hopefully I torqued everything down good. I don't know why it looks so tall. I didn't think it was gonna look this tall. But I'm gonna go take her for a little drive right now, see if I did a good job. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, to see what Mickey Mouses I do to this truck, because I do not know anything about mechanics. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe.